Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix uTorrent download stuck at 0% on Android. If your download isn't starting and stays at 0%, try these simple methods. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then check uTorrent again. Next, check the seeds for the torrent. Open the torrent details and look for the number of seeds or seeders. If there are 0 seeds, the download may not be able to start until a seeder becomes available. Also check the availability value if your version of uTorrent shows it. Low availability can mean that the complete data isn't currently available. Another thing to check is your phone's storage space. Make sure you have enough free space for the download to continue. If you're using mobile data, open uTorrent settings and check the Wi-Fi only option. If it's enabled, the download may not start while you're using mobile data. You can also close uTorrent completely and open it again. If the problem continues, restart your phone and try the download again. Finally, check the Google Play Store for an available uTorrent update. Updating the app can help resolve bugs or compatibility problems. So, if your uTorrent download is stuck at 0%, check your internet connection, seeds, availability, storage, Wi-Fi only settings, and make sure the app is updated. That's it. I hope this helps you fix the problem. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Android tips, app tutorials, and tech guides. See you in the next video.